So I guess it's a European kind of day. There we go. Just some of the stuff that I get in. We got the old Mercedes-Benz Metris conversion here. Just share this one real quick with you. Cymru under the hood. Just wanted to share this car with you today. I've seen a few of these knocking around. Just thought I'd share it with you all. It's one of those Mercedes Metrises with a Mercedes-Benz conversion. Let me flip the camera here and I'll give you a little tour around it and tell me what you think. Okay, so let me zoom out a little bit. So looks pretty standard. Obviously you've got your pop top on top. You've got it looks like a change of windows right here. Looks like they pop up, and then I'll show you underneath. One of the things that I noticed underneath when I was doing an oil change on it. Okay, here you go. There's the underview of the car here, and you can see that these pucks right here, I think these are an add-on. I've had another Metris which had a pop top on that had these same things, but shout out to Mercedes-Benz. Is this something that you add into these rears to help with the extra weight on the back end so they don't sag? So yeah, they could be stock for all I know. I've only seen 2 of these vans in the shop, so Mercedes-Benz, give us a shout. I'll pop the trunk here so we can have a look just inside to see what difference is in the back. Oh, there you go. It's kind of like your Eurovan campers and transporters, I think, in the UK vans. So you've got the seat here, which then turns into the bed, floats down. Nice thing about here is you can almost kind of just chill out and sit there with the back door open, even on a rainy day. You know, you got this up a bit. You got your little cabinets on the side here, storage, little extra storage there. You got your little USB charger and the old cigarette lighter, or a power outlet as we call them these days. And then yeah, just a little extra storage. Looks like you've got is that part of the heater maybe? Not quite sure. An outlet there. You got a little propane tank there for your little propane stove inside. It's kind of nice. You can just kind of buy the camping ones and screw it in, kind of like that little version. And then obviously your little water tanks. Some storage underneath the back seat there. And then let me spin it around here and we'll take you on the inside and show you the inside here. Alright, and then it's kind of what we got inside. Got your little kitchen, you got your little fridge there, little cabinet for storage, a little heater vent right there, more storage here, it's kind of nice. You got your little stove, a little sink, and then obviously your pop top. I'm not going to open that up today. Customer's kind of waiting, but I just thought I'd give you a little walk around. You got the little pieces here for the bed. Looks like you can. That's for that drawer that I just showed you from behind. And then yeah, and then obviously you can move this bench seat into different spots here. The little added up, and then you know, just a little sock if you need it. Just joking. And then obviously we've got the, not obviously, but we've got the swivel seat conversions on this, and the driver's got one too, which allows you to swivel these seats around. And then yeah, you got your little lever on the side here. Sorry for the terrible angles there. So you got your lever here, there, which then allows you to spin your seat when you got it in the right position. Let me come around here. I'm going to show you from this angle. Sorry. So let's see. Pull it back, and then yeah, you can just kind of spin the seat all the way around. Got to make sure it's obviously in the right position to do that, and then locks it back in place. It's kind of nice when it's full review. There's another little add-on here. Got the little rails for the curtains right there, and at the back it's kind of a nice little rail add-on there. You see that? It's kind of screwed on. It looks really nice, and you know, and all the windows. It's kind of a nice feature. So yeah, that's kind of. And we've got your little canopy on the top there, so you can sit under some shade. But yeah, just a quick look. Thought I'd share it with you. Hope you all like it. Yeah, give me some comments. What you think? And Peace Car. Shout out to Peace. Sorry, not Peace Car. Peace Vans. Shout out to Peace Vans. I really like your work. It's really nice. And Pam, one of my customers, is raves about you guys too. So I like to watch your videos. I've checked out a few recently. Nice work, and I appreciate your work. It's really nice inside, really clean, really looks like it's meant to be this way, and no like jimmy rigging or anything. It's really nice conversion. Yeah, tell me what you guys think. Or what do you reckon these Metris vans? This one's got about 68,000 miles on it, so it's relatively low miles, but I have seen these get up a lot. I think a lot of postal vans now. So I mean, if you get a cheap postal van one, you can do one of the conversions yourself, I should imagine. So shout out to van life and all you guys out there, living the dream, vanning it up.